quickly. Okay? Any question about this? Or anything we talked about?
Doctor,
Yes.
I have a question about MATLAB.
Yes. Tell me.
It is just to solution an equation, or we can design our system or process.
Yes, yes. You could you could make your programs to solve uh, any problems, mathematical problems, and another things. Also, you could make him talk by using many commands like print, like display. We will take it step by step. For example, look at this. This is a program. I put it. I established it. I created. This is program to solve to find roots by Newton methods. Okay, by Newton methods.
Okay.
We will talk it maybe next lecture, inshallah. This is order to input equation. This is to make it as equation. This is to differentiate equation. And this is if command. And this is for loop. This is loop to just make us return. We will talk about it. And you have let me see, this will work. No, this doesn't work. Also you have what's this? No, I have, where is this? Is yes, no, where is my program? No, I have, where is the roots? Yes, you have also you have ready commands to solve many questions like find roots and solve differential and partial differential equation. You have just to know the command and how to use it. You don't need to make a program like this long program. For example, where is it? This. Look, just three steps or two steps. You needed to solve or find roots for a question. We will talk about it, inshallah, maybe today or next lecture. Where is the test? Let's we close this. This is test. Okay. Let's we come back and write CLC. Now my question. If you want to make matrix like this, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 3 by 3, and every number's 7. What's the procedure to solve it or to input this? Huh. Student.
Because
Yes.
like second one,
This.
yes,
And
it will be 7.
if we say ones, he will give me like this.
Yes.
How to convert it to 7? Everything to 7.
Multiply by 7, يعني by
Great.
7.
Yes, great. Really, we have two way. Thank you. Who was talking? Who are you? Who was talking? Sorry.
Dr. Ahmed.
Ahmed Sobhi.
Yes.
Ahmed and everybody. Look at me. We have two way to write this matrix. For example, name it A equal. We could say 7, 7, 7, semicolon, 7, 7, 7, semicolon, 7, space 7, 7, and close the bracket, enter. He will give me like this. But if we have, this is 3 by 3. If we have, for example, if we have 10 by 10 or 100 by 100 matrix, it will be very difficult. But the quick way or faster way is to establish ones, 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 3. He will give us 3 by 3 by 1, and we could say B by 7. We look at this. He give us matrix quickly. It's 7 by 7. Also, we take huge 10, for example. Huge one. Look at this. He give us matrix, 10 rows, 10 columns, everything, every elements, 1. Just multiply B by 7, you will give us this matrix. Everybody, it is easy. Everybody, I talk to you. Suhaib, Ibrahim, Ali, Yusra, Muhammad, just answer me, please.
Yes, doctor, till now it's okay.
No,
No, it's okay.
It is clear.
yes.
All clear, والله clear.
Good. Now, if you have two matrices, for example, if you have two matrices and you want to, by the way, what we have A, sorry, capital, A this. If I want to change this number to, for example, 9, you have to say A plus what? 2. This will convert to everything to 9. Now, let's talk about the roots, how we will use the matrix to solve or to find the roots of question. Let's we go to the notes. Yeah. If I have y or f of x equal x squared minus x minus 6, for example, and I need to find the roots. This is polynomial. Let's we talk about the polynomial firstly. Now, as we learn, we have to say x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. We can analyze this by x minus 3 and x plus 2, 0, then x equal 3 or x equal minus 2. Now, let's we solve this in matrix. It's so easy. It is so easy. If we convert this to matrix shape, we have just to take the coefficient here. What we have, the first coefficient is 1, and the second minus 1, and the third one is minus 6, and make it like a matrix, like this. I have to put A, for example, A equal 1 space minus 1 and minus 6. He will take it as a matrix, and this is coefficient of x squared, and this is coefficient of x, and this is the constant number c. Now let's we apply the same question. Let's we apply CLC. Now just say A equal 1 minus 1 and minus 6, sorry. Now he give us matrix, 1 row and 3 column. It is mentioned coefficient of the question. Now, how to find the roots? It's so easy. It's right here. Just say roots A. Here we give us example P. Same thing. Just with the coefficient. If we have something like this, just put the coefficient and tell him roots of P. Roots of P or roots of A. Now, let's we say roots A. Enter. He give us root 3 and minus 2, like we find here. This is like this. Okay. Now let's we take another example. If we have y, for example, equal 2x cubic minus 5x squared plus x minus 1. Now, what I will do? Anybody tell me? Student, what I have to do?
use numerical method to solve it. Add MATLAB.
Yes, what I will write in MATLAB, what I will write, what I should write.
You write
Coefficient.
coefficient 2 minus 5,
For example,
One.
A equal what?
2,
Bracket,
2
2
minus 5,
minus 5,
1
1
minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, let's apply it. Let's be clear. But we have this. We have, let's see, A equal bracket 2 space minus 5 space 1 space minus 1 and close bracket and enter, and then we have to say roots for what? For A, roots for equation A. Enter, he give us 3 roots. 3 roots because we have what? Because we have x cubic. We have x cubic, then we have to have 3 roots. Is that true?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if I have like this, y equal x cubic minus 3x plus 1, what I have to write? What I have to write? Let's we take the same letter. A equal what?
1 minus 3, 1.
No.
1 0
1
minus
0 minus
Yes, good. Why? Because we don't have x squared, then its coefficient must be what? 0. The coefficient of x minus 3, I'm listening.
1.
But 1. Let's we apply this. Let's we say A equal 1 space 0 space minus 3 space 1 close, and let's we say roots A. He give us 3 roots. Now the question here, why he give us this A, this numbers? Why he? If I say A, he will give us what? This. He will give us this number. Why he didn't give us this number? Why?
Because
Yes.
we work in order. يعني the last A we define it as
Yes.
1.
Great. Because he take the last number we put it. If I say here A equal 3 or 5, for example, he will take A as a 5. He will delete this. He will delete every numbers. Just say, tell him A, he will give you A equal 5. Good. Now, let's say clear. Here, we will clear everything. Also, we could use roots directly. Let's apply this. apply this directly. What I have to write? I have to write roots. Look at me. Roots bracket now. I will put the coefficient directly. 1 space 0 space -3 space 1. He directly will give us the roots. Sorry, what's happened? Roots, bad expression, roots. Just a minute.
root A.
Roots. No, I have to put
Root A and define A.
this, and then I have to like this, maybe 1 0 -3 1 bracket and close this. Yes. I have to put parentheses firstly, and then I have to put the bracket. Okay, like this. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Another. Muhammad Rashad.
Yes, doctor.
Did you understand,
Yes.
dear?
I was study this subject when I was in the first stage.
Where?
But the others, I think they are not, because
Where you take it? Where in university?
yes, yes. But the other students, I think they don't,
Why?
because I am failed in the first stage.
Why they didn't take it?
Our system was changed.
Change.
We are the first students that we take the Bologna systems. Yes.
Where is Hana, for example? Hana, are you asleep? Well, I didn't hear you, Hana. Where is your voice? Why she didn't talk? Hana, did you understand? Okay. What's about the others? Let's see. Rawa. Student, if I called anyone, like what I did now, if anyone didn't answer, I will make it absent. Okay? That's mean you are not listening. Rawa.
Ustaz,
No, where you were?
I'm in here.
No, you don't.
Teacher,
You don't. You are not here.
I'm in meeting, but till now I have the telephone, and the meeting will stop.
Okay, did you understand anything from
Yes, I
the...
know about the MATLAB.
Good.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, please listen. Just listen with us, everybody.
Teacher,
Yes,
what do you say?
I need you to listen, everybody, not just you, everybody here. You have to listen to the lecture.
Yes, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, this is the first. This is the first order to find roots. It is named roots. So easy. Then we have, if we have use this roots just in polynomial, like this, just polynomial like this. This is polynomial. This is polynomial. But if I have a question like this, sine x plus 3, for example, f of x.
Afu, Ustaz.
Yes.
I don't have electricity, and my battery will low. I'm staying with Muhammad Rashad in hostel.
Okay.
Thank you.
If we have function like this, we cannot use roots commands. Then what we have to use, we have another sorry. We have another function or another command. It's named F0. F0. It's mean make zero. Make function equal 0. It's like something like this. And he will use the numerical methods to solve, and he will give us one solution. We need to write the function and find the value near to the intersection point. Let's take example. He gives us the example like this. X by e exponential e is minus x equal 0.2, and they need the roots. How to write this? We have to write like this shape, and bring 0.2 here and make it like this, and then type the function. How we have to input the function? We have many way to write function. Let's we learn some of them. Okay, let's take example first. Let's take this example. Let's take this example. X by e is x. It's mean exponential minus 0.2. CLC. We have F0. Let's come here. We have F 0 command to find roots for non-polynomial function. How to use this F0? The first way, you have to say, for example, let's take this function, f of x equal x use minus x minus 0.2. It was like this. How to find roots? You have to make it equal 0, absolutely. Now, in MATLAB, to use F0, you have to write like this. Sorry. You have to write this F. First, you have to say x equal, because we need x, this is interception. X equal F0, open the parenthesis and cut sign and write x by exponential x minus 0.2 and what's this? No. And put the cut signs and comma and write here any number, but it's must to be logical, maybe 1, for example, and close the parenthesis. This we see we have example here. Not like this. I don't. Let's try to solve. Now, let's rewrite here. X. What he say here? What he say? Yes. Sometimes we have to write interval. Write interval, but you have to be sure this interval interception it's lie between these two numbers. Let's try everything. Say x equal f0 parenthesis and let's put this x by exponential x minus 0.2 and close it and comma and put for example 0 and the close parenthesis. Enter. He give us directly the roots of this function. He give us 0.1. Does he give us? Does he solve it here? Where is it? Where is the solution here? When the function include
The next slide, Doctor.
Well, just here.
This.
This? No, something different. Anyway, now this is the first way. Now this is the first way to solve or to find roots for an equation. Let's we take another example. Let's just anyone please give me question from you. F of x equal what? Just give me anything.
Sin x
For example, sin x.
plus 1.
Yes.
Plus 1. So
Just this. It's easy. Yes. Let's we apply this. He will give me sin x. Already I know this. He will give me x equal minus 1 sine. It will be 2 pi. It will be 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3. Yes. Let's see what he give us in this. With me, x equal what? F0 with me, everybody. F0 parenthesis,
comma.
Yes, quote, yeah, quotation, just single quote. Sine
Sin x plus 1.
Sine parenthesis x plus 1. Just this, and comma. Let's we put 0 also. Enter. What's he give us? Existing F0, aborting search for an interval containing a sign change because none or infinity function value encountered during search. That's great. When he searched, he find one number, it's infinity, and he stopped. And now he tell us, give me interval. Let's we try another number, not 0. Let's we say,
0 to pi.
Let's we say 2 pi. Let's we say 2 pi. 2 pi. Let's we say 2 pi, for example. 2 pi. Same. Another idea. Let's we say between. Let's we give him interval between minus between 2 pi. Sorry, 2 like pi and comma. Yes, comma. Let's we say no, this is pi, must be pi, sorry. Between pi and 2 pi. 2 pi plus enter. Interval endpoint must differ in sign. Yes, it's not different. Minus sign, minus 1. Then we have to check. We have to check the sign. We have to put interval we have to put interval, the sign change from positive to negative or negative to positive. Then let's we try again, sorry. Let's we try in degree. Let's we try in degree. Maybe we'll take it in radian, 3.14 and 3.14, and here we say 6.286. 0.28, same. Let's we say 1. Let's we say the same sine x. If we solve it, so we solve it, sine x plus 1 equals 0. It will be sine x equal minus 1. Where is sine x equal minus 1? At what angle? Sine x equal minus 1.
270.
270. Is that true? It is between what? It is between 180 and 360. It's here. He didn't need. He needs something positive and negative. Sorry. Sign here will be negative.
Doctor,
Yes.
the root of x, it will be minus pi. Maybe.
It will be what?
Maybe minus pi over 2.
Minus, yes, minus pi over 2. That's true. This is minus pi over 2. Yes, that's right. Or what? Or 3 pi over 2. Is that true? You understand?
Yes.
If you have plus 2 pi, it will be what? 4, it will be 3 pi over 3.
Over 2.
Sorry, over 2. This is same angle here. This is this same angle. It's minus pi over 2, or you can say 3 pi over 2. If you read it from here, it will be 3 pi over 2. And if you read it from this side, it will be minus pi over 2. Now we have to choose interval and two number here. One give us negative and one give us positive. Now let's we say here pi over 3, it's positive. And here what let's we say
Can we say minus pi 2 pi?
minus what?
Minus pi 2 pi.
Minus pi 2 pi. This is minus pi, and this is same. He will give us 0. He need one. He need one give us positive and one give us negative. Here we have the sign of the sign of sine, it's positive, and here negative. We need here what? We need, for example, pi plus pi over 3. This will be 4 pi over 3. Let's we take 4 pi over 3. This is our interval, and pi over 3. This is we will take this interval, 4 pi over 3 between 4 pi over 3, and here we will take pi over 3. Pi over 3. Now let's we enter function value at the interval. What's wrong? 4 pi over 3. Let's this maybe pi 3, and here over 3, and let's we try. Something wrong. What's okay? Let's we try something else. Let's we try something else. Something we wrote here and know the value. Let's we take this. Using MATLAB part2 to find solution of this equation. Let's we take this equation. And I will try with this. Let's we take this. Let's we say x equal f0, comma, what we have? We have x minus 0.45 by sine x sine x minus 2, and everything minus 2, and then we have to cut, and let's we say 0 and enter. He gives us 2. Now, what's the difference between this solution and an example and this PowerPoint? He say minus 0.97, and here you say 2. What's the difference? What's happened? Who tell me? What's happened?
It's approximate.
Yes, good, excellent.
We have to approximate.
Yes, excellent. For that, an example, what he say use format long. Let's say format long, format long, and let's not here, maybe we take this here, copy, and here paste, and let's we take this here, paste, let's we say CFC, let's we run format long F0 X minus something wrong. Where is X minus 0.45 sine? Sorry. I wrote it's wrong. Here we have parentheses. Yes. Look, this is the solution. If we delete this format short format, let's say format short, because this is just give us for decimal after points, and in long he give us many numbers. Now this is easy to use this function, and I have to learn you something important. I have to learn you. I need to learn you this technique to write function. It's very important to write any function you need. You have to use this technique. You have two or more. I will learn you this and another one. Let's focus on this. How to write. Let's see here. How to write function in MATLAB. Everybody with me, student, everybody with me, focus with me. You have to say F or any G, anything. You have to say F, G, Z, anything. But we use F always. At what? At X. What does that mean? That means my variables or my independent variable X, and space, and write your function directly. For example, at space X square minus X plus 3, just like this. Let's try it. let's be f, let's be right here, equal at, sorry, at x space x square plus x minus 15. Now he know this. He told you I get function and he understand what I tell him. Okay, you can use this technique to solve this, and we can use f0 by another one like this. Just focus x equal f0 for f, and just say why I told him f, because he it's already know if it's a function. And let's we say 3 maybe, and he give us the value of roots. Let's we change f, and we say this 12, and then you will give us x equal 3. This is technique to find or to write the function. To write function, it's very important. It's very important. Okay, let's we stop. Let's we finish our lecture. We talk maybe more information. We will continue, inshallah, next week on your lab, and you will apply everything by yourself to find roots. I will give you something like quiz, but yes.
Tomorrow we have lecture in our
أحمد يعني ده جبت كان معني.
Yes, that's enough. Today it's enough. Tomorrow, take anything if you want in your university. But we will meet, inshallah, next week, as we agreed. The first 30 minutes, everybody. First 30 minutes will be quiz. In Newton-Raphson bisection method, it's 30 or less than. It will be 20, maybe 20 minutes. And then when we go to the laboratory, inshallah, and we will apply everything in computers. Okay?
okay.
عفوا دكتور.
Now, yes.
آسفة بس أنا I wasn't home and the first half hour I was late. Maybe you write my name as absent.
Mujda, every time you are not here.
No, I was here, but I wasn't home and my internet connection was gone every time.
Okay, did you understand our lecture?
My internet connection was bad and every time it bring me out of the lecture. But I tried to be here.
Did you understand? Did you listen to something we explained here?
I listened to something, but not all. Maybe after I will listen to it again.
Okay, I will upload this lecture to the site of university. You have to see it, and you could also you could make search on YouTube. They talked about the MATLAB, more lectures, more information you could find there.
Doctor,
Yes.
next week we will quiz about solve nonlinear and Newton, yes?
Yes, bisection, we have two ways. We talk two ways.
Yeah.
We take two ways. Bisection and the Newton Raphson.
Yes. But about today we will not do a quiz.
No, next week, inshallah, at university.
Because that's a thing we need to practice by ourselves in lab. We can't understand only about.
Yes. The subject of today it's it's not enter in the quiz.
Yes. Okay. It's
Okay.
just introduction.
Just bisection and Newton Raphson.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. If you have any question.
Sorry, Doctor.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Doctor, I asked if you have any link for to download MATLAB for free. We don't know about the versions, anything like this.
Wallahi, just write in YouTube, Ibrahim. Just write.
Doctor, I did that and I downloaded a file 17 giga, but it didn't work.
Yes, it's so big, so big.
Yes,
it's so big.
Okay.
You could ask IT in university.
Inshallah.
Could ask him. Okay, thank you for everyone, and goodbye.
Thank you, Doctor. Goodbye.
Thank you.